Hello. In this video, we're gonna see the easiest method to access our EC2 instance machine. Let's just quickly see that. Okay, let's just connect. Hit, yeah, okay. And click on this EC2 Instance Connect. Okay. And maybe you cannot see, so let me make myself on the left side. Okay, so now you can see. Just hit the connect button. And we are inside the machine. Now let's verify if that's the same machine that like we always do. Let's hit the command cat and etc and then os release, and you can see Ubuntu here. So this is the same machine. Also, this is not the only command to verify. You can hit also, you can see ls cpu to see the CPU configurations. So if you remember, when we created the EC2 instance, we selected the 86 64-bit architecture, 64-bit 86 Intel. Alright, so you can see this as well, and there is one more command to see the storage. So that is, so you can see 5.1 GB of storage of the root file. Inside the Linux, the root folder is the main folder. Okay, and every other file, configurations file, these are in MBs. Okay, so M means MB and G here means the GB. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.